Want to make your Outgrow content look polished without diving deep into complex coding? In this video, I'll show you simple custom CSS tips that can instantly upgrade your design, step by step. Log into your Outgrow account. Open the content piece where you want to make changes. Go to the Configure tab and click on the Custom Style Sheets. This is where you can paste your CSS code to customize your content's design. Let's start with how to change the font style of the welcome screen. You just need to add CSS code to the custom style sheets to change the font style of the welcome screen. Once added, just click on the Update button. These changes are saved in the Data Store Center. Now click on the Publish button to reflect the changes in the current content. Finally, refresh your content page and you will see the changes reflected. Now let's change the heading color of the welcome screen. Like before, you just need to paste your CSS code into the custom style sheets and click on the Update button. Then click on the Publish button to apply the changes to the current content piece. Finally, refresh your content page, and you will see the changes reflected. Now, to change the color of the description paragraph of the welcome screen, you just need to follow the same process. Finally, refresh your content page, and you will see the changes reflected. Now, to change the color of the CTA button on the welcome screen, follow the same process. Finally, refresh your content page and you will see the changes reflected. And that's it. With just a few simple CSS tweaks, you can transform your Outgrow content without complexity. Start elevating your content today. Build polished professional experiences effortlessly with Outgrow